So to cover those bases, we have our multivitamin, our magnesium, and our vitamin D3.
For sure.
That is our daily essentials pack.
Remember, if you're not eating as much food, you're potentially changing the gut environment slightly, so you might not be absorbing the nutrients as much as well.
Yep.
Think about it, guys. The food is it's not sitting in the same way as a totally natural state. It's not. So we need to make sure that we're enhancing it, like Lisa said.
Yes. So getting your daily essentials pack. And then we also have our 2 kinds of protein powders, right? We have our vegan protein powder and our Whey isolate protein powder. Both of those, 20 grams of protein per serving, that can really help you. Again, what I talked about, that protein goal, that can help you reach that protein goal much easier.
For sure.
Without also that feeling of fullness, because each one has 100 to 106 calories per serving. So that's very easy to do. Yep. Very big is our essential aminos. Really help to preserve lean muscle mass.
It's a muscle protein synthesis, so it triggers the body to make muscle proteins.
Right. So even if you're like in a fasted state, being able to take essential aminos can help preserve that muscle mass. So very important to take those. I mean, I suggest 1 to 2 times a day, but you've got to make sure you're taking those every day. And we have other things too. Our collagen.
Absolutely. Again, it's a unique protein structure. Great. Yep. Absolutely.